Hey guys, welcome back to another LM Fire Alarms. Today, we're going to be doing the new system test with the new fire alarm panel. Okay, the garage is already open. Okay. Anonymity, as usual. Junction box. Simplex SmartSync / FreeRun True Alert. It's on SmartSync. 4251-20. Okay, so we got a 2151 Smoky Wokey Pokey, and a Simplex strobe. No more panel here. Panel, bye-bye. 9219, not hooked up. Gotta go wired up in there. And here, pantry, 4251-20, conventional, nice standard, Simplex T-bar. Not the solid handle version. Right here we got the main show guest of the night, basically. Right here we got the SFT 5ED fire alarm control panel, or control unit, whatever you guys want to say. Right there we got a Simplex SmartSync module. So you will be hearing the clicking, the relays in that clicking today. It's got a 7 amp hour battery and a 5 amp hour battery. I'm supposed to have two 7 amps, but I don't. So, gotta deal with it until I get a 7 amp. Fire alarm panel, CPU, NAX, zones, NAX. And I got another strobe right there. And so let's go into walk test. First, let's go into walk test. Wait. Enter 21111. 3 walk test, 2 audible. We'll have it audible. Okay, so I need my B key. We could start off with this pull station right here. Okay, next strobe. The Simplex horn out there, when I do a walk test, it's on continuous. I need my light. Most importantly, a magnet. Not gonna lie, I got a magnet. Oh, bye-bye. Milwaukee charger. Put that back up there. I found the OG Simplex wiring 4251-20 wiring diagrams. Which, I know to you might sound like boring, but it's fun. Okay. I'm sorry. This is day 2. So we got trouble. We walked 80. This thing's being annoying, like always. Can you just stay up without losing a magnet? Jeez. Enter to level 0. Wait. 21111. Walk test. We're gonna do silent one. I'm not gonna finish the audible walk test because my dad's sleeping. I don't want to be nice, courteous, and plus it's like 3 in the morning. Just joking. Okay, so where was I? I got my conduit with a magnet. I lit up. That's good. Okay, let me go find my B key real quick. Let me grab my B key. Okay, got my B key. Okay, that works. I know the True Alert works because when we did our AV test, that AV good. Hello, guys. Don't look at my feet. I would set off the smoky wokey pokey, but I don't feel like it because my dad's sleeping, and I already did the AV test yesterday. So I was gonna put this light plate where that strobe is, but who cares? Not me! I need a conduit clamp to put this on. This is don't mine. And reset. Well, and that's gonna be new system test 1. Peace.